take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, on the dog.
Hey Vatari babes, welcome back to another video. So today's unit is from Arabella Hair and I'm super excited to be installing this unit with you dolls. It's such a perfect unit for this coming fall season as well. This unit is so easy to install because it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it also comes with a couple of pieces of lace tapes. There's also an adjustable string in the back to tighten the unit for a snug fit. Next, I'll go in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation to blend the lace for the perfect match. I haven't even installed this unit, but by looking at this, I already know it's going to eat down. Like, come on. This unit came curly as we can see, and I love the curly look, but I want to flat iron this unit for a bust down look. We love a bust down middle part. I'm then going to tighten the strings in the back for a maximum snug fit. Next, I'll split the hair into two sections to make the flat ironing process easier. After that, I'll split one of the halves into smaller sections to work on it. I didn't even have to add any products to this process. It only took 2 passes on the hair to get that bone straight look. Like, I said, wow, because what? I'd also like to thank Arabella Hair for sending me this unit, as they're the first hair company to reach out to me for a collab, and I'm so happy and grateful that they did. This just gave me the boost that I needed, because this goes to show that there are people out there watching my videos even with my small followings. I will put my best foot out there and keep doing what I love, and with God's grace, more opportunities will come in the future. Babes, this hair is so soft and so easy to work with, and it comes with minimal shedding. Like, what unit does that? Can y'all see the shine and how easy the hair moves? And this is with no products. I repeat again, no products. Let's continue with flat iron the other half off camera because we don't need to see that process again. This unit just eats and I'm loving everything about it. Like, it's just eating so well. To customize this unit even more, I'm going to define the parting with my rat tail comb. Afterwards, I'll go in with my wax stick around the parting, then press it with my hot comb. All it took was a couple of passes to get the parting flat. I haven't even sprayed this unit down, and can y'all tell how well and effortlessly it blends into my skin? It's giving what lace. Also, don't forget to press the back as well. From there, I'll go in with my Got2b spray to blend the lace into my skin. Now this part is optional because this unit does come with lace tapes you can use on the ear tabs as well. But I just like to go in my Got2b because I don't know why, but I'm used to it. Let's continue with blow drying for a faster melt, and I'll be wrapping up the hairline with my Arabella wig band, which is one of the mini goodies this unit came with. To really define the parting, I'll take a lighter shade of concealer to make the parting stand out more. After taking the band off, I'll just cut some of the hair from the ear tab since I'm going for a no baby hair look. This is the final outcome, and I must say this is one of the easiest install I've done. It only took 3 simple steps. 1. Throw on the unit. 2. Pull on the drawstrings in the back to tighten it. And 3. Add your lace tape or your holding spray to get that extra melted look. Easy as that. So fast, simple, and convenient, which is perfect for the fall. Thank you so much, Vatari babes, for watching my video today. I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much again for your love and continuation of your support. I cannot do this without y'all. I love y'all. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye, Vatari babes.